Black holes are one of the more widely talked about and, in my opinion, cooler aspects of space. But what actually are they? They're not a hole in the sense that they don't have an in or an out. Rather, a black hole is a sphere of really high gravitational force that pulls things in from all sides equally. This includes light, which is why black holes aren't actually black in a sense, rather they're invisible. It's a pretty popular image of black holes roaming around, sucking everything inside. But this usually isn't the case. Black holes are fixed spots in space that can only suck things in when they get close enough to their gravitational field to feel its force. But what happens to the stuff when it gets sucked into black holes? Well, the answer's pretty simple, and in my opinion, pretty disappointing. It goes nowhere. The fun thing about matter is that it makes up everything. You, me, the air we breathe, the bed you sleep on, the screen you're probably watching this on, and it's mostly empty space. In fact, if the nucleus was the size of an apple in the middle of the stadium, the electrons would be the size of seeds outside of the stadium grounds. This means that there's plenty of room for these atoms to be squished up against each other when they get sucked into a black hole. Black holes can be a variety of sizes too. The smallest known black hole, known as a primordial black hole, is the size of an atom. But don't let this fool you, these black holes can fit in a mountain worth of matter. The next kind of black hole, a stellar black hole, can contain anywhere between 5 to 70 suns inside of it, and it's made when a large star dies. The last kind of black hole, a supermassive black hole, can contain hundreds of stars worth of matter in it, and they think there's one of these at the center of every large galaxy. The Milky Way has one known as Sagittarius A in the center of it. How do we know if black holes are actually there if they're invisible? Well, just like the wind waving on a flagpole outside, we can see a black hole by seeing the effect it has on other matter. However, if there's a black hole that isn't around anything else, it can go undetected for forever. So there you have it, the science of black holes slightly unscrambled.